Okay.
Hello there, I'm Dr. Marty Thompson with Health First Chiropractic. I'm here with a patient of mine, Darren Ride, and we're going to do a little interview on his chiropractic experience in the office. Darren, roughly how long ago did you come in and start in the office?
I think it's been 2.5, 3 months, somewhere in there.
Okay. And what can you tell people here a little bit what your initial symptoms or complaint was?
Well, I basically came in because my right shoulder was seizing up. It was losing motion, caused a lot of pain when I tried to reach in a certain way, and really basically losing function in my right arm.
When we did an exam on Darren, we found that he had a lot of decreased range of motion. Specifically, he couldn't rotate to the right very well. He was subluxated in his neck, and there was some pinched nerves there, actually causing his body not to be able to function at its optimum level. We took some x-rays, and the curve in his neck that should have been about 45 degrees roughly was actually going backwards the other direction. So we started to work on his neck in a very gentle technique. Was it very painful at all?
No pain at all.
How about, was there any popping or snapping in the neck?
Nothing that I could really hear.
Yeah, very gentle technique, and it worked quite well. It's been about how long since we started with you?
Yeah, a couple months, give or take.
Yeah, and right now he's been moved to a couple weeks here, just on a wellness routine. And how's the shoulder been since we started working with you?
Well, there was some gradual improvement at first, and then the last few weeks, all of a sudden, just as my checkups were getting better, the shoulder just almost 100% now.
Yeah, well, that's excellent. Any other changes that you noticed at all, or?
Well, the big thing, as you explained, was tied to it. When I came here, I couldn't look over my right shoulder nearly as well as I could look over my left, and it was due to the neck problem that seems to have been causing the shoulder problem. And that's been over 20 years since I could look over my right shoulder equally as well as my left. And that's been fairly dramatic for me.
Yeah. So that's excellent. We're glad that we could help you, and we look forward to helping as many others as we can too.
Thanks.
Thank you.